Hey everyone, I'm Fred Ranger and I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I want to share with you my top accessories and tools that I use on a daily basis to make my photographer and filmmaker life so much more easier. Without further ado, let's deep dive into the products. They will all actually be linked down below, so if you want to have a look at them and if you consider buying them, well, actually use the links down below because it gives me a little kickback on Amazon. Doesn't cost you more, and it helps this channel grow and it helps me put on more and more content. So the first little accessory that I really like and that I couldn't live without is these Peak Design anchors, and these are this little things here that you see on a lot of photographers YouTube channel, and there's a reason why it is so popular. It is a system that makes it very convenient to add or remove a strap, and also very secure and very fast. So actually, let me show you my second tool that I really like, and it is the Peak Design strap itself. This is the, I'll put the link down below so you can actually look at it, but this is the one made for the digital mirrorless system, so it is a bit smaller than the big ones for the DSLRs. But here's how those two accessories are connected. You just take this little strap handle here, you put the anchor in, all of a sudden, very secure. You put the other one right here, and you are ready to go with a very cool strap, very comfortable strap, and it is adjustable in a heartbeat, so you can just go like this. You can adjust the size. Sorry for the noise if it's picking up at the mic. So again, very convenient system, very comfortable system. So this is a Peak Design product, and as you know, Peak Design makes some very cool, durable, and very clever products. So when I'm, I want to shoot video, I want to remove this strap, I just go like this and I'm ready to go without the strap. So the strap and the anchor are two of my top fave products that I use on a daily basis. The second accessory is something that I haven't seen a lot of YouTubers or photographers talk about highly enough, and this is an L bracket. This is definitely one of my favorite tools when it comes to doing landscape photography. As you know, I travel a lot, I take a lot of photos anywhere in the world, and time is of essence. So instead of using your tripod and turning it like that and having the camera in weird angles, this makes it a very efficient way to take some portrait orientation photos and landscape in very quick manner. So you just unlock your tripod head and then you just put the camera like this, and then you're ready to go for your portrait mode photo. So I really like that. It also gives an extra protection to your camera. Here's the XT3, and by the way, the one for the XT2, this is a Mengs, and this one was made for the XT2, still works on the XT3. So this is my third favorite accessory for cameras. Connected to that, there is a tool that I just discovered lately and I cannot live without anymore, and this is the Small Rig. This is another company that I really like. This is the Small Rig tool kit that you can see here, where all these little, let me show you here, all these little things that you need to unscrew when you have a camera tripod, when you have a L bracket like that, well, you can use it and you can be very fast and efficient. And there's also a plate one like that, so you can actually work your tripod stuff very fast. So this, and there's no knife, so it will actually go into the airport and your air travel. So I really like this. I'll put the link down below. It's very useful, and when you start working with tripods and filming and going from one rig to the other, this becomes really handy. And look at the size of it. It's very portable. So this is a very cool tool. And another tool that I really like is the fact that all of my stuff is now Arca-Swiss compatible. So whether it's the L bracket here or the Peak Design little tripod mount right here, and the gimbal, and this is the Weebill Lab. This is one that I really like. The plate that comes with it is also Arca-Swiss. So sometimes I have this tripod mount on my camera and I just leave it there because I can put it on my gimbal. I can actually put it on my tripod that are also Arca Swiss compatible. So that whole Arca Swiss type tripod mount, I really highly recommend buying tripods and accessories that are compatible, because then you're really fast in bringing one camera to another location or to another tripod or into a little gimbal like this Weeble Lab. And the last one, but not the least, is a product that I've got sent by the guys at Polar Pro, so thank you so much, and it is the Defender. Again, I'm all about efficiency and gaining time, but I also like to protect my stuff. And look at this. This is the Defender, and you just put it like that, like a protection for your lens. But instead of having to like pinch or screw or anything like that, you just go like this. You're ready to shoot, you're ready to go, and then you put it back and you're ready to put it back in your bag. So it's very, very rugged. It is like a rubber material, and it looks very, very cool at the same time, and it protects, most importantly, your lens. So I really, really like that. And a bonus, an extra little item that I bring everywhere I go are these little Zeiss wipe. These ones are a little bit wet, so you can use that and wipe your lens when there is some dust or anything like that, and they're really good. There's a bit of alcohol in that, but it's like non-destructive, so it's really good for your lens. Don't worry, you can put them on there and you don't have to worry about screwing up with your lens. So there you have it. These are my top accessories that I travel with, that I bring on a daily basis, that are always in my camera bag. And speaking of Polar Pro, I will be doing a little giveaway because they did send me not a Defender, but a set of filters for the Osmo Pocket. So if you do own an Osmo Pocket, you are in luck, and I will give you all the instructions in my next video about how to enter that little sweepstakes. I still need to read like how to do sweepstakes on YouTube. This would be like my first one, and I don't even know if sweepstake is still a word in 2019. Maybe it's just a little contest, I should say. So enough of me talking. If you have any questions about any of the gear that I presented today to you, let me know in the comment down below. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up. It helps this channel grow tremendously. Thank you so much for 3,500. I mean, we're more than 3,500 now, and this is so exciting for me to put out new content. And if you want to contribute even more to this channel, there also is my Patreon page that you can click. It's down below. And if you don't, I understand, no biggie, but please do follow me on Instagram, because this is also where I share a lot of ideas and photos and stories, and I would like to interact with you there. So be happy, enjoy life, and enjoy your gear. Cheers.